is Raymond, Chief Currency Analyst and Head Trading Coach at PerfectStigers.com, and welcome back to today's market preview. And we apologize that we have been silent for a long period of time. We have been busy creating something where you guys can meet and check our daily technicals and daily analysis without any hassle. So while I was passing my charts today, I thought it would be wise to give you a short analysis, a short video, sharing my views and my analysis, so that you guys may check. Some of you might keep an eye and maybe to grab some few pips out of these small opportunities that I'm giving. So in front of you is the Euro JPY. This is a daily time frame, and this pair has been bullish. You see, this pair has been bullish for a quite long period of time. We had new structure highs. See some outside returns. You see, technically since last year, this pair has been bullish. So without going any further and wasting time, right now the pair has stuck into a consolidation zone. You see, and we all know that in consolidation, the pair is going sideways. You see, the pair is going sideways. No formation of new structure highs or new structure lows. And we all know that this is the most period of the time that most of the pairs jump into consolidation in Christmas and New Year holiday. So in advanced pattern trading opportunities tend to appear so much in range movements. You see, in range movement. So there are a lot of advanced pattern trading opportunities, and a lot of traders tend to execute these patterns because most of the time they're 80 to 75% more accurate. Okay, so what I was trying to talk about was a break and close above this consolidation move. Since we managed to break and close above this consolidation move, my speculation is that this pair may continue its bullish move for the coming year. Since we had the fundamentals on the yen that yen is going to lose its strength, and that's why we see a break and close above this zone. If you can all see, let me zoom it for you. You see, then we had a small retracement back into support zone. Then when you look left, it was resistance. Then the market started to form another new structure high. So what you're waiting for is a break and close above this zone. So you can see clearly when you drop down to a 4-hour time frame. This is the execution time frame that we use in our day trading. See, I swing trade, so I use the 4-hour time frame to execute my trades. So since we managed to break and close above, see guys, then we had a pullback down, then we had a major pullback up again, back into this zone. You see, so right now we're kind of forming an N pattern formation. But when you zoom in a little bit, you see that there was a slightly W pattern. You see, again, right here. See, so the pair again retested twice, then we shoot back up. So we should expect another retracement up to this zone at 26.18 trade, then a pullback up, or the pair may just shoot up if we close above this previous structure high. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. See, right now this pair is a very crucial point for any trader to keep an eye on, since we have broken out of this consolidation box, and we all know that contractions lead to expansion, and this expansion may be very, very potential, may provide a lot of pips out of the game, and most people find out they're too late. To see, some people come and find that massive big candle running up, and they jump and they say, oh, I missed this trade, I must enter right now at market. This is something that you're not recommended to. You should be able to sit down and predict. You see, you should be able to monitor your page. You should be able to view from an angle, an eagle's eye. You see, you should be able to you should know your pair in 2 days, 3 days, even weeks before that thing happens. In that way, you be able to gain consistency. You be able to gain confidence since you have prepared yourself for a long period of time on what happens next. And if that happens, then I should do what? Then comes the process of if-then processes. You see? So by doing this, keep an eye. So what do you think if next time I'll come and see a retracement back to this zone? I'll buy that market because I know this is what I predicted. So it gave me confidence in executing. And some people are having a they call execution fever. They fail to execute. They do the analysis correct, but when it comes to time of execution, they are too afraid of execute. Then when they come back later, they found that the pair just went their direction. So it was just the fear that made them fail to execute. So some of them are having too many strategies. So I call this analysis paralysis, and I usually post in my social groups that avoid this analysis paralysis because it may make you fail to execute. Having too many strategies and indicators makes you fail to execute. I'm a naked trader. I never use indicators. I just use Fibonacci because I'm a price action trader. So when I integrate Fibonacci and price action, I get marvelous results. Out of 10 trades, 7 to 8 trades are correct, and all this is based on price action. You see, so you guys, this is my short analysis that I did to you, and anything can happen. This is technical analysis. Again, I say technical analysis is not 100% correct. We may have fundamental news releases pushing this pair even further below these zones here. You see, anything can happen, and you can get massive fall back to this zone, back into consolidation box. But again, since you have managed to break and close above this, we should expect positive things. So that's it, guys. This is all I wanted to share with you. Keep an eye on this pair, guys. Take a look. Do your analysis. If it meets your rules of engagement, then you're good to go. Because what I was observing that we were forming series of advanced pattern trading opportunities before we had this breakout, guys. You see, before we had this breakout, we had a good advanced pattern trading opportunities where aggressive traders who were keeping an eye on this pair managed to grab this move. You see, they managed to grab this move. So this C to D completion move took I think on 12th on 15th December. You see, so some of the guys were able to make a lot of money just by hooking up this move. So that's it. Before I exit, I just want to introduce you our analysis page. This is a website that we created, if not, I don't really remember, 2 months ago, but it was undercover. It was on undercover, so we didn't want to announce it early because it wasn't complete. But now that it is complete, we will be posting our analysis. We'll be posting the analysis every day. Every day we'll be posting analysis and news. So keep an eye. Make sure to come and check out this page every day. Let's find something that may be helpful to your trading. We not even provide analysis, also provide articles concerning how to become a better trader, how to trade well in the market, how to overcome fear, and all other stuff that help traders to become consistent and profitable over time. So guys, just come back here, check out this page. You don't need anything, just go complete your registration, and it's free of charge. We don't charge anything. But if you want to take your trading to the next level, the level that you are right now, that maybe you're not making money, you see, maybe you're break even and you need something a little bit that will boost you higher to your trading career, you can just come here. We have our training programs. We have a free beginner course. Still we're working on it, but we have an ultimate proficient course. We have a 10% discount. You can go back and grab this course, and our mentors and our traders are eagerly waiting for you on 8th January to start a new class with new traders so that we can take them forward. However, we have a signal service for those who really can't afford our ultimate proficient course. We have our signal service. Check it out, and all other stuff that are available on this website. However, there are books. This is a books page. We offer books, and we offer books that we think it might help traders. It might help traders in their journey. You see, there are a lot of books. We have a dictionary and all other stuff. So you can come here, check our recommended books that I think it will help you in your trading career. So that's it, guys. That's all I just wanted to share with you. I'm wishing you a new year, happy new year, uh, uh, profitable new year. A lot of people are going to make a lot of money in the coming year. So, guys, make sure you stick with that. Stick with us. We have good things and good things that are coming out, and I hope we'll make the most of it. So, guys, plan a trade plan. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.